In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Constant Contact. To begin, make sure you are signed into your Constant Contact account and that your contact file is ready. The platform accepts common file types like CSV and Excel, so it helps to have your spreadsheet saved in one of those formats. Also, take a quick moment to scan your file for obvious issues, like blank email addresses or columns that are mislabeled, because that can slow things down during the matching step. Once you are in your account, go to the main navigation and click Contacts. This is where Constant Contact stores all of the people in your account, along with lists and contact details. From the Contacts area, click Add Contacts, then choose Upload from File. This option is used when you already have contacts stored in a spreadsheet and you want to bring them into Constant Contact in one batch. Now, upload your file by dragging and dropping your CSV or Excel file into the Upload area. If you prefer, you can also select the file from your computer, but the key is that the correct file is attached and ready to process. After the file is in place, click Continue. Next, you will see a screen where you match your columns to Constant Contact fields. This step is important because it tells Constant Contact what each column in your spreadsheet represents, like email address, first name, last name, or other details. Carefully review each column and make sure it is mapped to the correct field. Accurate matching helps avoid messy data and makes your future emailing and segmentation more reliable. When everything looks correct, click Continue. After that, you will be asked to select a list. Choose the list where you want these imported contacts to be added. Lists are useful for keeping contacts organized, especially if you email different groups for different reasons. Once you have selected the appropriate list, click Continue again. Finally, a consent pop-up will appear. Read it carefully, then check the box to confirm consent and click Save. This step is part of responsible email marketing and helps ensure you are following permission-based sending practices. Once it saves, your import will begin processing, and your contacts will be added to the selected list. That covers everything you need to know.